Hello guys, it's Alicia of the Me Crafty YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Michael's St. Patrick's Day grab bag. I hope you'll stick around to see what I got. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of this video that you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below. If you're already a regular viewer, thanks for stopping back by. A couple months ago, I bought my first ever grab bags from Michael's. They were actually boxes from the after Christmas clearance. I got these because my mom had been watching YouTube unboxings and wanted me to go to my local Michael's to see if they had any. So I did find, I think it was 4 or 5 of them. If you want to see those videos, I did some unboxings and my daughter did some. I'll link those below if you want to go check those out. Also, before we get started, just a reminder that I have a giveaway going on in my latest video. You're going to get a couple goodies that I created with my BB Craft products and some product from them to try for yourself. But like I mentioned before, in today's video I'm going to be unbagging really a Michael's grab bag, and it is St. Patrick's Day themed. Again, my mom wanted me to go see if they had any. They did have about 8 left in the cart. They all look like they kind of had the same thing, so I just got one. And the bag, it wasn't just the standard size plastic bag, it was a larger one, so I'm hoping that there'll be some good stuff in it. It's packed, it's full. Well, let's go ahead and start pulling stuff out. First up, we have a St. Patrick's Day wall hanging. Kind of like a canvas scroll kind of idea. It says, "Eat, drink, and be Irish." I don't think I mentioned it before. Like normal, the grab bags are $4. This wall decor retailed for $15. And I would say it's maybe 12 by 24. Here we have Tinsel Tabletop Decor. This also retailed for $15. It's supposed to be a pot of gold. So you have the green tinsel around the bottom. There is an opening here. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be. And then at the top is some gold kind of confetti or streamer tinsel. Oh, and a little handle. Here we have some table scatter retailed for $5. Lots of glitter. There are St. Patrick's Day hats. Shamrocks in different shapes and colors. And then some gold coins. It says there are 24 pieces total. And now my desktop looks like I had a glitter party. They call it table scatter, but they look like Christmas tree ornaments. There's dark metallic green, there's a light metallic green, and then some light green glittered. There are 8 pieces total, and these retailed for $5. More $5 table scatter. These are gold coins, and there are 50 in here. They're all the same. One side has 1 shamrock, and the other side has 1 big one and 2 little shamrocks. Next up, and probably my favorite thing so far, is this little St. Patrick's hat on a headband. I always like those hats on a headband. I'm not sure why. This retailed for $6. Another package of the gold coins for $5 again. This is actually pretty cute. It is a ladies large t-shirt. And it says leprechaun. Okay, that's pretty fun. I tore up the tag. This retailed for $10. Here is one pair of knee-high socks with different colored shamrocks on them. Those are fun. These retailed for $7. And last but not least is another wall decor. This one retailed for $10. You have the hanger here. You got the rainbow at the top, the gold coins, and then the pot. So overall, I do think that this bag was a bigger success than the boxes that I bought after Christmas. Some of this stuff I can actually see being put to use. I hope my mom enjoys her goodies. If you have bought any of the grab bags recently, let me know below what's been your favorite thing that you've gotten. And until next time, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.